Hello guys, so for this video, pag-uusapan natin itong properties of exponents. And I have here the first four, and on the next video, we will talk about the second four properties. So the first one ay ito, a raised to m, okay, times a raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. So magagawa natin to if our base is the same, like this, a. So to give you an example, if your base is the same, tapos multiplication po siya, so ang mangyayari po sa exponent ninyo ay magiging plus. So for example, we have here 4 raised to 2, ganyan, times 4 raised to 3, okay? So bale, you copy the base, itong 4, and then yung exponents ay i-add nyo lang siya. So, 2 plus 3. So, bale, magiging 4 raised to 5 siya. So, ganyan. The next one is, itong a raised to m. This is the second property. Over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So, as you can see, dito sa first one, it's multiplication. So, maa-add po yung ating exponent. Dito naman, it's division. So, ang gagawin natin sa exponent ay we will subtract them. So, for example, we have here x. Wait, let's change the color. X raised to 8 over x raised to 3. Again, this is applicable if same po ang ating base, like here, x at saka si x. So, if iba yung ating base, ay hindi po siya applicable. So, dapat x, x, a, ganun. So, that is now equal to, copy the base, which is x, okay? And then, you subtract po yung kanyang exponent. So, m minus n. So, ang m here is 8. So, copy the 8 minus the exponent po na nasa baba. So, minus 3. So, basically, it will become x raised to 5. Yan. Next, the third one, I see, ito, a raised to m. Okay? Quantity a raised to m. Tapos, ni-raise pa po siya ng n. So, bale, itong exponents po ng a ay ma-multiply siya. So, bale, magiging ganito. So, don't be confused dito sa number 1. Dapat dalawa yung base dito, multiplication, tapos ma-add yung exponent. Ito naman, ni-raise po yung nakapaloob sa exponent. So, for example, ganito, you have y, let's see, y raised to 6. Okay, quantity y raised to 6 is raised to 2. Ganyan. So, ang gagawin nyo is you just have to multiply ni 2 kay 6. So, bale, magiging ganyan. Write natin y is 6 times 2. So, basically, it becomes y raised to 12. Ganyan. And lastly, itong fourth properties natin, si quantity a times b raised to m. So, bale, ang gagawin mo ay i-distribute mo lang yung exponent sa dalawang nasa loob. Okay, so for example, it's 2x. Dapat naka-quantity po siya ha, raised to 4. Yan, naka-open and close parenthesis. So, that is equal to 2. So, bale, i-distribute natin si 4 both kay 2 at saka kay x. So, 2 raised to 4 times x raised to 4. So, bale, 2 raised to 4, so magiging 16x raised to 4. So, ganun lang po kadali yung ating properties of exponent. So, I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa video na to, and stay tuned po sa part 2 ng ating video.